Hi guys, Mr. Rice and Alden here. And today we're going to teach you how to do animations in MakeCode Arcade. So animations are not one of the default functions that you can find on the sidebar here in MakeCode Arcade. So to find the animations, you need to click on Advanced and then click on Extensions. And you can see animation is right there. So this will make your sprite look like it's moving through a series of frame-by-frame animations and drawings. And you can make your own, but MakeCode also has some really nice animations in the gallery. So we're actually going to use a little clownfish and make him look like he's swimming through our game. So again, click on Extensions and add the animations functions. We're going to open the pane here, and we're going to stay in blocks mode because it doesn't work particularly well to set these up in JavaScript. So we're going to stay in blocks mode. The first animation blocks you're going to find is this one. It has the interval and frames parts in it. And now you'll see when I do this, I get an error because I don't have a sprite initialized. So let's initialize a sprite. Just click on Sprites, Create. And we're actually going to leave the sprites block empty here and just grayed out because we can click on our frames down here, and that's where we add the sprite we need. So I'm going to click on Gallery, and like I said, I'm just going to add the clownfish, which is right there. There we go. There's 4 clownfishes. So you'll notice I have a little clownfish here, and then I have a plus sign down below. And this is where we add the animation. So we're going to click on the plus sign, and now you can add a second animation to your sprite. So I'll just click on the second clownfish. I'll click on another plus. I'll click on the third clownfish. I'll click plus one more time, and I'll click on the 4th clownfish. So now I can hit the little play button up here, and you can see this is what my clownfish will look like when he moves. And you can speed up the clownfish by lowering the interval number. So if I lowered that interval number to 200, now my clownfish looks like he swims a little faster. So I'm going to leave it at 200 and click Done. So now in my simulator pane, I have a little clownfish. He swims only one time. So if we want him to swim continuously, we just need to click the loop button and turn it on. Now he should swim continuously. Excellent. So we're also going to make him bob up and down like he's in the water. So to do that, we're going to return to the animation toolbox. This time we are going to click that animate my sprite with fly to center option. We're going to put that in our on start. And this time, instead of fly to center, we're going to do bobbing in place. And we're going to loop this one also. So this makes our fish look like he'll go up and down, kind of like he's in the waves or the current of the ocean. And he does the swimming technique. So that's how you quickly do animations in MakeCode Studio in blocks mode. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. With that, this is me and Alden signing off. Bye, guys.